Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you guys how to restore disabled iPhones, which means you have forgotten your password and you tried multiple times and you couldn't log in, and your iPhone says something like this: your iPhone is disabled, connect to iTunes, and you get this where you can only dial phones and stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. The first thing you're going to do is make sure your phone is plugged in and you have the latest version of iTunes installed on your computer. Then you're going to hold down the power and the home button at the same time until your phone turns off, and then let go of the power button and keep on holding the home button until you see something on your iTunes saying that your iPhone is in recovery mode. So once you hear that beep, let it go, and you get the message on your iTunes saying that your iPhone is in recovery mode. Just click OK and then click restore your iPhone. Restore and update, and then read over and click agree. This might take a while depending on if you're using iOS 7, and it might be updating to iOS 8 or whenever you're watching this video, maybe for future times. So for now it's only going to take 30 minutes, so once done downloading I'll just come back. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so it's 38 minutes left now, still a lot to go, so I'm just keeping an update so to let you guys know it's actually working. Updates is going on still, so once it's done I'll keep on continuing. I'll keep on going on the video so you can follow. So till then, wait. And by the way, the timing might change depending on your computer's speed or the internet speed. So as you can see, I started off with like around 30 minutes or so, and time went up instead of coming down because maybe my internet's a little bit slower. So yours might be fast, yours might download faster than mine, but you just keep on waiting until it's done. So okay, so it's more than halfway done, 15 minutes left, so just keep on waiting until it's done. Okay, so 1 more minute left. Took a pretty long time, maybe half an hour. So I guess I can just pause it here and until it gets to maybe the last 5 seconds. Okay, so it's just done downloading. I hope it doesn't install, so let's see what happens. Since processing files, still downloading the software, but it should be fine. So now extracting files. Okay, so it's almost done. So iPhone might restart. It's saying at the bottom that installing device drivers. As you can see, the little image icon thing. Okay, so after that process, it just went through some stuff and then iPhone just restarted. So as you can see that little line going through, it's just going to restart the phone, and after that it should be fine. But what I'm going to do is just pause the video here again, and once it's almost near the end and it's about to be done, I'll just resume the video again so you can see it. So, because it might take like maybe 5 more minutes to completely get this thing done. So as you can see, restoring iPhone software. So it's just maybe 10% done right now. So it might actually take less than 5 minutes. So okay, the first restore is saying iPhone restore It's almost being done, but at the same time, the iPhone logo, the line in iPhone is not even halfway. So I think it might restart and then continue, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so it's almost done. I think it should be finished and the iPhone should restore. The line is completed almost. It's just maybe last 5% or so. But it's really cool. Okay, so the phone is going to restart and hopefully should come up to the screen where it says either you put in your iCloud ID, Apple ID, or you put in a password to log in, which you use basically to download Apple's like free apps and everything. Okay, so it's gonna be, I think it just restore again, says restart it again, and then it's gonna restore some files before it actually completely be done. So as you can see on my iTunes on my computer, it's saying iPhone up top right here, so which means my phone is connected. It's just gonna start up. Okay, so it is finished, completely, it's done. So from here, as I was saying, if you have already have used iCloud, and if you have an iCloud ID, that means you have to put it in. If you don't have an iCloud ID, which means if your iPhone is completely new, as you can see, it says this iPhone is currently linked to this Apple ID, which means you have to put in a password in order to log in, or in order to start the phone. So I can just select the language, US, and then from here I'm going to choose my home network. I can just use Xfinity. Give me a second while I put in my information. Okay, so once you're done putting in Wi-Fi or whatever internet connection you have, you're gonna get up. You're gonna see this up to your screen where it says activate your iPhone. If this is a new phone, it shouldn't go through this process. You can just select, but I mean, if you don't use iCloud, then it shouldn't ask you to put in everything, all this. But if you do, then it's gonna ask you to enter in your Apple ID or whatever ID that you use for iCloud, which means you backed up your data or you use this ID to download stuff. So you're gonna put in your ID. It kind of gives you a hint, like it starts up with whatever the alphabet, the first letter, and then the email that it ends in. So you put in that, and then you put in your password, and your phone should process, and it should go through, and then it should be reset and everything. But I forgot to say this. Make sure you do back up. It's like, I'm sorry, like I said at the end, but still, you know. Alright, so thank you for watching. This is how you reset iPhone that is disabled, or if you forgot your passcode. So this is how you reset. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.